In today's video, I'm going to show you how to make rosemary and garlic dinner rolls. These are super easy and ready in under an hour. Add 2 tablespoons of butter, half a cup of milk, 1 cup of water to a medium-sized saucepan. Bring it up to 110 degrees. Measure out 3½ cups of bread flour. Add 1 teaspoon of fine sea salt to the flour. Add 1 tablespoon of fresh chopped rosemary. Add half a teaspoon of garlic powder. When your liquid mixture reaches 110 degrees, add 1 tablespoon of active dry yeast. Add 2 tablespoons of sugar or honey. Give it a stir. Set it aside until it looks foamy on top. Once foamy, add your dry ingredients. Using the dough hook on your stand mixer, mix it at slow speed. If the dough tends to stick to the side of the bowl, add a little more flour a little at a time. The dough should remain slightly sticky. Continue to mix the dough for 4 to 5 minutes once a ball has formed. Transfer the dough to a well-greased bowl. Cover with a wet, damp towel and let it double in size. Should be 15 to 20 minutes. Remove the dough from the bowl and punch it down. You can weigh out the dough and break it down into 15 equal pieces or do it by eye. The nicer the rounds are, the more uniform they will look when they're cooked. Prepare your baking pan using cooking spray. Place the dough balls 3 by 5 in your baking dish. And once again cover with a warm, damp cloth. After 15 minutes, they should be ready to bake in your preheated 400-degree oven. Bake for 15 to 20 minutes or until golden brown on top. Once cooked, place on a cooling rack. Now is the time that you coat them with melted butter and garlic. We were making sandwiches with these, so we did not do that. I hope you enjoyed the video. Thank you for watching. Please like, comment, and subscribe below. Show her the steam roast.
I got it.